Here we go, we're going to solve this quadratic equation, and we're going to use the quadratic formula which we have over here. All you need to know to use this formula is what A, B and C are. A is just the number in front of x squared, always. So, in this case A is 2, because you got 2x squared. B is the number in front of x, so B is 7, and C is just a number left over. So getting A, B and C is very easy. Okay, now put these numbers into this formula. What happens? Scroll down a little bit. Well, B is 7, so minus B is going to be minus 7. B squared is going to be 7 squared. Minus 4AC is minus 4 times 2 times minus 4, because A and C are 2 and minus 4. So we're just substituting numbers, that's all we're doing. 2A is 2 times 2, because A is 2 and you wanted 2 A's. Couldn't be more simple. Here we go. Minus 7 is minus 7, that's not changing. 7 squared is 49, minus 4AC, well, minus 4 times 2 times minus 4 is positive 32, and that 2 times 2 is 4. I'm just really reading things through. You should be able to work these things out. Right, now, when you square root this, and this 49 plus 32 is 81, so when you square root 81, what's the answer? You tell me for a bit. If you said it's 9, well, you only be half right, because 9 and minus 9 are the right answers. Oh, thanks. Okay. Yeah, so 9 and minus 9 are the right answers. And that's why I've got this plus or minus sign. It means two things are both correct, the minus 9 and plus 9. When you square root any number, you always get two answers. Say square root of 4, you get 2 and minus 2. Opposite answers. And that's what this is all about. Let me scroll down a bit more. This can be written like this or like that, because you can see there's a plus 9 there and a minus 9 there. And just to finish off, once you've simplified this, which minus 7 plus 9 is 2, 2 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2. Basic fraction work. 2 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2. So this just simplifies to this. Well, and let's go through this. Minus 7 minus 9 is minus 16. So minus 16 divided by 4. Minus 16 divided by 4 is minus 4. Again, if you know how to do substitution, if you know how to simplify fractions and deal with negative numbers, there really is nothing to do here. You're simply using a formula. Let's quickly do a recap. There was an equation they had to solve, which can be solved in many ways, and using the formula, the quadratic formula, is just one way. You get the A, B and C very easily just by looking at that, that and that. Once you got A, B and C, put it in the formula like this. Let's scroll down. This simplifies to this. For example, 7 squared simplifies to 49. All of this, minus 4 times 2 times minus 4 equals 32, positive 32, so that's why I write plus 32. You can see I've used a bit of colour coding. So anything to do with B's has stayed green, anything to do with A stayed red. And as we follow it through, when you square root this, you get plus or minus 9, as I explained before. This can be written like this or like that, and this can be simplified as that, this can be simplified as that. So you've got two answers to your question, because you should always have two answers to your question. That's it.